On the second day of our 3-day stay in Ho Chi Minh City, we took a day trip to the Mekong Delta. We booked with one of the many local travel agencies that offer this tour, and since most follow a similar route, it really doesn't matter which one you pick. The trip begins with a 2-hour bus journey until we arrive at Vinh Trang Pagoda. It is a Buddhist temple in the Mekong Delta and one of the most famous in South Vietnam. It dates back to the 19th century and stands out for its unique blend of Vietnamese, Chinese, and even European influences in its architecture. In and around the temple, you'll find impressive Buddha statues, including a large smiling and a reclining Buddha. Surrounded by tranquil gardens with ponds and beautiful bonsai trees. From there, we got back on the bus to Mai Tho Marina and then took a boat ride across the Mekong River to the coconut candy place. During this visit, you'll discover in a fun and tasty way how local coconut sweets are made. You'll see up close how coconut milk is boiled with sugar into a sticky mass, which is then rolled out, cut and packaged. Here you can buy the fresh sweets in various flavors. We then take a local tuk-tuk to a touristy fish restaurant where we first have a cooking demonstration. During the demonstration, you'll see how a ban kot, a savory pancake, is prepared step by step using fresh ingredients and traditional techniques. This is followed by the highlight of the day trip, a boat ride through the many canals. You'll travel in a small boat along narrow waterways surrounded by palm trees and tropical scenery. After this short boat ride up and down one of these canals, it's time for lunch. The restaurant is clearly geared towards mass tourism. The food and service are both fine, but for the animals it's a different story. Their living conditions are pitiful. Fish and crocodiles are crammed into extremely small spaces. Really, they should do better. After lunch, we take the motorboat back to our starting point to catch the ferry back to Thoi Son, another island on the Mekong River. There, we can first sample the local honey before enjoying a demonstration of local music and dance. Local musicians play authentic instruments and perform traditional folk songs. But I hear you ask, is this trip actually worth doing? Well, the answer is twofold. If you're short on time, it's an easy way to get a taste of the countryside and local customs. However, it's also a highly commercialized tour. The itinerary is strict, and there's no time to linger at a stop. Many of the stops are also geared towards selling products, which means the whole experience can sometimes feel rather artificial, and it can be difficult to find true authenticity. This will take more time. We recommend to take a few days to explore this region, away from the tourist trail that all these day trips follow. But considering that a day trip only costs 15 euros per person, you can't expect it to be a personalized, unique experience. For us, the temple visit and the boat trip through the narrow canals made it worthwhile. And that brings our second day in Ho Chi Minh City to a close. Tomorrow, we will visit more of the city's highlights and experience the New Year celebrations